Welcome to this course on cybersecurity careers. There's currently a tremendous shortage of cybersecurity skills in the workforce, leading to high demand for cybersecurity roles. There's never been a better time to launch a career in cybersecurity. This course offers a look into the expanding field of cybersecurity. It's designed to empower students with the knowledge required to find and secure a career in the industry. This course provides an overview of the different career paths available in cybersecurity. You'll learn about careers at various levels in the following modules. Module 1, Cybersecurity Careers. Module 2, Cybersecurity Skills. Module 3, Cybersecurity Certifications, and Module 4, Course Summary and Final Assessment. Module 1 will start with the demand and need for cybersecurity professionals and how aspirants can enter the field. You'll learn the different training options that are available for starting a career in cybersecurity. The succeeding lessons will cover the different roles and responsibilities of entry-level, mid-level, and advanced-level cybersecurity professionals. In addition, you'll learn the range of salaries awarded to the roles at the different levels of cybersecurity careers. Experts will share their views on the cybersecurity field. A hands-on activity will explore the different career paths. Module 2 will begin with the importance of IT fundamental technical skills in cybersecurity. It'll also describe each IT technical skill you require as a cybersecurity professional. The next lesson will cover cybersecurity technical skills and some related facts about each skill. You'll next learn the importance of soft skills and why each is necessary in cybersecurity. Experts will share their viewpoints on different skills. Finally, you'll learn the skills mapping to each job role in cybersecurity. Module 3 will start with the benefits of cybersecurity certifications. It will give some cybersecurity certification facts. Then you'll learn about the important certifications for different cybersecurity roles under main heads such as CompTIA, ISC2, and other certifications. You'll also discover the factors to consider while preparing for the exam and how to schedule and take the exam. In addition, experts will share the benefits of certifications and how to take the exam. And Module 4. This module will start with the course summary and a cumulative glossary. You'll also take a final assessment followed by a course wrap-up. Experts will give you tips for a cybersecurity career. Finally, there's an honors project on cybersecurity career research. Next, meet your cybersecurity experts who will share their names and current roles. Throughout this course, these experts will share their experiences and valuable insights.
Hi, my name is Jason Flood. I work at IBM. I have about 15 years experience with IBM. I'm currently the CTO in the cybersecurity division. My qualifications are I have a degree in applied science, I have a master's in security and forensics, and I have a PhD in cybersecurity.
My name is Dee Dee, and I started working in the IT security field for about 20 years ago. I am presently working as a cybersecurity consultant.
My name is Kira, and I'm a front-end developer for IBM. I've been working with IBM for just over 1 year now. I initially worked with them when I was in college on a placement for 9 months. I then came back as in a full-time role last year. I began in automation and manual testing before moving into the front-end role that I'm in now.
My name is Jeff Kroom. I'm a distinguished engineer with IBM. Been with the company for 40 years, and I also serve as CTO for IBM Security Tech Sales in the Americas. In my day job, I'm working as a cybersecurity architect, working with clients to try to figure out where their security gaps are and where we can help them plug those gaps. I'm also a Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP. I have a PhD in cybersecurity, and on the side, I'm an adjunct professor at North Carolina State University.
So my name is Peter Amper. I'm with IBM. I'm part of the Expert Labs team. I'm the worldwide leader for threat management. Team is implementing IBM threat management software at customers, and we support them with strategy, with escalations, and also make sure the customer gets the right solution. I am with IBM for, I think, around 17 years. So that's almost all of my career. And I'm in security since security was founded in IBM, actually. So that's around 10 years now, more or less. So I've always been in IBM security. Started as a junior specialist, moved into a senior specialist, and then I had all kinds of leadership roles within the security organization.
Sure. So my name is Jagpreet. I started my career in 2009 as a Cyber Security Analyst. After that, I worked in a company called Mercedes-Benz as a senior developer. And right now I'm working in a fintech as a data security manager. In the past, I was learning to deploy different technologies, but now I'm managing a team of 5 people, which is helping me to deploy the same technology which I learned in the past. As a passion, I do teach in college cybersecurity courses over weekends.
So there's a lot to cover here. To get the most from this course, complete viewing each video, complete all hands-on activities, and check your learning with each quiz. We're very happy to have you with us as you start your cybersecurity career journey. If you have any trouble with any of the course material, please don't hesitate to contact us in the discussion forum. Let's get started. Good luck.